Hello, welcome again. Uh, Today I want to show you how you can use your mobile phone email to do some broadcasting production to send your output videos and product output video to maybe to your streaming system, to IPTV or to your broadcasting channels to the studio. So maybe you can you will be with some event, for example, marriage ceremony or nursery graduation. Maybe marriage ceremony will be a little bit complicated because people want a record, people want a history to be very much good. But this is the best. If you don't have a strong professional equipment, you can use this what I want to show you. So I just want to show you simple things you can use. If you fail to get a professional gears for your production, you can use your mobile phone. So just make sure your mobile phone is strong with quality, with a good camera picture, good quality of camera and stability, good stability, focusing, and other feature of camera. But our concentration is your phone, mobile phone. How can you do this production by using a mobile phone? So first of all, you need these kits in order to achieve these things. And both of them, as you saw, it is a free software. So just your phone, local network, and this software I mentioned. So the first software, as you saw, it is Irium software, which is on the phone and on the PC. So you must install Irium Camera for phone and Irium Camera for PC. This software is on Windows PC, but also on the uh, uh, Apple PC. Even on the Linux, you can get this software. So you can use more than 3 phones by using this software. Maximum for the free user is a 4 phone, but if you want more than 4 phone, you can give us some few manners in order to manage more than 4 phones. So also you need encoders for encoding your videos from Irium camera. Then after you have OBS encoders, there's a lot of encoders actually. There's OBS, vMix, so any of them you can use. But as I told you before, we are going to use most of them. We are going to use free software, free system. Then let's go with the OBS option. Uh, if it is very complicated, you want many device to communicate on it, are the NDI tools, but it is not that important. If you have Irium software, if you have OBS, you have a mobile phone, and you have a streaming server. So even the streaming server, we are going to use a free streaming server. We are going to use a MistServer to generate a HLS playback link. So we are going to get the HLS playback link from MistServer. But if you want to monitor it, you can put it on the VLC, or you can put it also on the Android phone, Android app, or maybe you can use HLS link to put it on your website. So whatever you want. If you wanted to display it on the big screen on the wall, maybe if this is a marriage ceremony, as you know, marriage ceremony have a lot of screen maybe on the hall. So if you want the participant want to see those screen, you can use the HLS playback link to that screen. Okay, so that's what we have to see it for today. Mm. So let me show you how can we arrange this. Uh, how can we arrange this? How can we put it together? What I want to show you, I want to show you two setup. If you want to broadcast maybe your production, you want to take the production on the ground pitch, maybe for the football, or maybe for the basketball, or maybe for the netball, or you want to do production on the hall, maybe a marriage ceremony, graduation ceremony, or yeah, maybe that things. You can do it, and if you have a good phone, you can do it more than enough. Okay, so let's start with marriage ceremony maybe. For example, this is a hall whereby that event take place. So maybe you can have some good tripod to put your phone, or maybe the phone it is with some user around there. So you can point good shot on that event. For example, you want the main participant, maybe her and him who take that marriage. Maybe you can have two phone on there. For example, this one we will shot front, and this one also on the back. But you can have one phone on here, right? And you can have maybe one, two, three. So for the free setup, you will only remain with one phone. Maybe that phone it will point to those who are celebrating their family members to go to that event, right? Then you can maybe keep these two cameras to those who got married, but this one and this one you can vary. Maybe sometime you can take this shot, sometime you can take this shot, whatever. But try to make those two to be stable on the main character of those marriage, right? Okay, so that is a simple one for the marriage, but what if you want to take it for the pitch, ground pitch, maybe for the football or basketball or playball, right? So maybe you can put the camera like that as I show on the diagram. So maybe the first camera you can put it here, second one you can put it here, but make sure there's another camera on the middle, so we have three camera, right? And finalizing it with camera maybe which will uh, maybe you can put it on here or on here, but this one will var here or here, but this one and this one maybe for if you want to do some strong professional broadcast of strong professional production, you must have a camera for the offside maybe, but it is not important if you want to do some local production. Simple one. So simple one, just use 4 camera. You can check yourself where you can put those cameras, right? Yeah. So this how you can arrange it for simple way. So how can we set up this? Yes, okay. So let's start with mobile phone. Let's put the software area software for phone and see what can we set up this one. So second, in my side I already installed the software, so I just open it. So when you open it, it will ask you if you are in a local network between the PC which you run the Irium for PC and the phone which you run that software. So it's waiting for the connection. So let me find if I am in a local network. For those who don't know, local network, that means you don't need the internet for connecting device to device. If you are on the same place, for example, you are on the same ground, or you are on the same hall, which you conduct those married Solomon, it is possible to connect and link those devices. What you need is just maybe router, yeah, or cables, but for the phone, you need just a router, wireless router for having this local network. So it's a Irium webcam is running on your PC or Mac. This phone and the computer are connected to the same Wi-Fi. You see, the same Wi-Fi, not the same internet Wi-Fi. So you don't need the internet for this. You just need a local network. So let's also run the Irium to our PC. So just type Irium. I already installed it, so you can find it on our browser. It is a simple one. Yeah. Once I open my Irium on PC, for today I am using Irium webcam version 2.9.1. As you saw it, there's 4 cameras. You can use 4 cameras. That means you can use more than 3 cameras. You can use more. You can use 4 mobile phone at once. You see. So for now, I only I have one mobile phone. It is Android phone. As you saw, this software. It is Android software. Okay. So, 1 second. Yeah, this is my mobile phone. As you saw, once I put the camera somewhere, it will show. Let me change the camera view. I put it the back camera. You saw it. Yeah, this is my phone, and this is my PC. So I already put my video from phone to PC, right? Yeah, let me put my phone here so that I can proceed with another setup. Okay, so suppose this is my first mobile phone and it is already on here on the PC, and maybe for the diagram, let me show you that 1 second. Where is my picture? . Just want to see my picture. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. So this is my picture, right? Okay. So we have camera on here. So and the camera on here. Four cameras from mobile phone, right? So I already connect one camera. So let's assume this camera is this one on that part. So it just show this side, and if you have second camera, you can link it on here the same as you link the first camera. You can link this one, you can link this one. So you already have the camera on your PC, and the mobile phone is on the event, right? That means you already have the camera on here, right? You already have the camera on the PC, and the camera, mobile phone camera, it is on the event, right? Yeah. So let's run OBS and see how can we get that camera on OBS. Okay, the OBS is running. Open, close this one. So let me be clear everything on here. Clear everything, clear everything, clear everything, clear. Yes, please. So when you open the OBS, you will be with something like this, right? Huh? Okay, so let us add our Irium camera to the OBS, then we can push to the streaming server. And after you bring to the streaming server, then you can proceed with what you want. You can have HLS link playback and all of other things, right? So this is my scene. I can just put, because I want to use four camera, I want to use four mobile phone, just put four scene on here. So the next scene, second, third one, first one, right? So the first scene, I'm going to put the first mobile phone camera, right? So just go to the video capture, put OK, then find your first Irium webcam, this one. You see, once you click, you will see it appear on your OBS, right? So even if I can change my camera position, you can get it. You see it. Even if I can record my screen like that. You see it? Okay. So this is my first one. If I want to put all of the four mobile phone, I can add also on the second scene. So for this, also I can point the second one, right? Because there is no phone on the second one. It just comes with the logo. So I can just put a number on here to present that this is a second one. Okay, second cam, right? Okay, yeah, and this is a second cam, and you can put this at the third one. But for reality, second one, third one, you can just put the camera from your said mobile phone, right? Yeah. Okay, so this is the third one, this is the second one, this is the fourth camera. So just add it as a representative of a set of a fourth camera. Okay, so we have this. rear camera, which we already connected through Irium for mobile and Irium for PC. And we have this one. We failed to get another mobile phone, but on that event you can have it. Maybe you can take even from your friend. For example, you are more than uh, three people on the event, which you are in good relationship. I mean, maybe friend or whatever. So you can use the phone of each other, right? Yeah. So that's it. We already link our mobile phone with OBS. OBS it is on the PC. So now everything is in here. The event shot from the mobile phone camera, it is now on here. So you will need to create a HLS link from this PC to distribute it on your platform. Maybe OBS, I mean maybe it's your local streaming server, maybe you are streaming up, maybe for YouTube. You can put it even on the YouTube, depending on what you have on your output, right? So just put the output of your program, then go to the setting. So the setting, it depends what you want to push it. Maybe you want to push on the local, for example, this one is for local network, or you want to push it on the YouTube. So you can point it to YouTube, you can click it, then publish it, right? So if we want to put it local, we are going to use MistServer. MistServer, I already installed it, but it is a open source free software, so everyone can use it for free. So I can run it. After running it, let's see if it is running. No, because I already installed this one. So by mistake, MistServer open, just open it up. Oh, what is this? No, I already run it. I already have it. MistServer, the app. Ah, okay, let's proceed and see. Maybe I did remove it by mistake. So let's see if we can run it. It is a simple, fast, very fast installation. So it won't take a time. Okay. Okay. Once running, because we just install the clean setup, it asks account not set. Do you want to create your account? Yeah, click yes. This is a simple thing, so just do it chap chap. Username, maybe you can say same tech. Password the same tech. Protocol not set. Do you want to set the protocols? Say yes. No same configuration. This can be configured through the web interface. So we're done here. So let's go to the web interface and see how we can set up everything remaining. Yeah, but this is for local. If you have a YouTube account, it is simple. Just go on the stream, settings stream, service, select YouTube or Twitch or Facebook. If you want to put it on Facebook Live, just push it on the Facebook so that everyone will saw your production, right? Yeah. So let me proceed of showing for those who want to put it on the local servers. Okay, so just open your browser as they say, then second enable. Let's open. We want to open MistServer, this one. Yeah, it open. So just create your streaming as it show on my previous video on how to create your stream by using MistServer and how you can get HLS MCU8 link, right? I already show it. So if you want to see how you can configure this one for free, just review that tutorial and finalize it, right? But for now, we already have this and it's everything run well. Yeah, we already have Irium for the phone, Irium for the PC. We have OBS and the tools. It's not that important. I can show you for the next tutorial. And you have streaming server. From streaming server, which is MistServer, you can have a HLS playback link. Then where you can put that HLS playback link, I already show it on the next, or I mean on my previous video. You can watch it, right? You can watch it at the top. I already share the link, so just click it and play it. Ciao. Thank you everyone for checking this video, and thank you for finishing up to the end. If you have any question, just put it on the comment, right? Yeah, goodbye. Bye bye.